Hey everyone, it's Sarah. I am here today with my 2019 Summer Fab Fit Fun box, and I'm super excited to show you. Basically, if you are not aware, Fab Fit Fun is a quarterly box, and it's $49.95. I have a code I'm going to link down below that will give you $10 off your first box if you are not already signed up. But let's get into it. I have some add-ons here, which I'm pretty excited. One is a beauty bundle, a mystery beauty bundle. So I think that's the only mystery bundle I did. I had some other mystery bundles in there, and the last minute I was a little kind of iffy about whether I wanted them. I got a few of these. They are very highly rated on Amazon. This was only 11 bucks. It's game night in a can. It has just a ton of different games in it. So I ordered the max. I ordered 3. Normally I think on Amazon I saw them 20 something, maybe 25. So I thought these would be great to give away. I'm gonna keep one for myself, of course. This is, I believe, one of the options, one of the customization option. No, it wasn't. Sorry, scratch that. This is one of my add-ons. I have a bar cart that I don't really have anything on the bottom of, so I wanted to get this bottle holder. I think it was about $12 or $13. It matches the color of my bar cart because it's gold-ish, and I thought that would be really convenient. You know, you can set the liquor wherever you need it, or just keep it as sort of an organizer underneath the cart. So I got 2 of those because I have quite a bit of room underneath the bar cart and don't have any way to organize stuff under there. So I thought that would be a good thing to have. I think this has got to be my bundle, my mystery bundle. So let's see what's in here. Oh wow, I should have brought scissors. Hold on just a sec. Okay, I got it open and we'll jump in, and I thought I had it open. I cut it once. It's really kind of stubborn. Let's see, okay. So the first item is the Ahava Mineral Mud Brightening and Hydrating Facial Treatment Mask. I don't use masks a lot. I have a lot of masks that I haven't used, and well, let's see. It says that it brightens, moisturizes, and illuminates your facial appearance, reveals your radiant complexion to shine through, restores your camera-ready glow. Can be used 2 to 3 times per week as needed. I'm not seeing the ingredient list. A lot of just sort of regular stuff in it, I guess. I was looking for it to see if it had anything that really stood out ingredient wise. Not really. I don't see like retinol, or I guess that's not usually in masks, but hey Chloe. And then pure argan oil. I will use this. I really like using argan oil for my hair. It gets a little frizzy, especially when it gets humid here. So I will definitely use that. Mother Dirt Cleanser for face and body. I've actually never heard of this, but okay. Formulated for compatibility with the skin's natural biome. So, okay. I don't think it's bad. It's fine. I'm pretty happy I got the argan oil. I will definitely use that. I might gift the, cleaner, body wash. I guess that can be used. Let's see what else is here. Oh, there is more junk in here. Okay, more add-ons. What do I have here? Oh, this is toner. I don't have a toner that I use, and I was thinking that might be a good thing. Rosen Gold Tides Toner, Sea Salt and White Willow Bark Toner for oily or textured skin. Ooh, my skin isn't oily, so have to see how that works out. Okay. This is probably the thing I was most excited about, this Yacht London palette. It's really, it looked online, it looked really cute, and I watched some videos. Okay, those colors look really, really cute, I think. I can't wait to play with this. So yes, I'm excited about this one. Very pretty looking colors. And then Yacht London, I also ordered some of their sparkly lipsticks. There were 2 different colors available. Whoa, that is sparkly looking. I'll swatch it, why not? This is kind of a coppery color, and there's another one. I'm just gonna swatch them next to each other. Spark, is this one Spark as well? Yeah, the color of that one is Spark, and that's Topaz. So this is Topaz right here that I just put on. And then I'm going to put on, wait, they look very similar. Okay, they're somewhat similar. They look a lot different online, to be honest. Okay, so those are the colors. They're both, I guess this one, on screen it looks a little more pinky than it does. But it's sort of a, this one's more of a deep copper, and this one is more of a peachy, lighter copper, I guess you'd say. Let's see what else we have. This is Restore Healing Balm. I think this is from the box. Oh, it might have been an add-on from the box. I think I actually added it for $10 or whatever. This is apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, nails to aid in healing. Good thing to have around, right? Why not? Oh, another palette. I'm a sucker for palettes. I don't need more palettes, but Hikari, 16 colors. It looked like it had some really pretty purples, so I'm gonna have a lot of purples here to play with. And I was kind of interested in these blues. I wanna swatch those, because okay, that's a little more gray, but not bad. Oh, well, that's really dark. So the blues are really dark. Maybe I'll swatch a couple more. This is Pretty, right there. They seem to be, I don't think they're like, ooh, they're reasonably pigmented. The formula, I don't know if I want to say, it seems a little bit like Violet Voss, at least on those shimmers. Let's see. Ooh, I don't think so on the mattes. Not so much. It's not bad. It's definitely, the matte definitely isn't bad, but not a bad little palette. It has mostly shimmers, but 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. So your mattes are these 2, this one, and this one. So at least it has some mattes in it. And I like that one of them is like a really light shade, and then actually 2 of them are fairly light shades, but one of them is what I would consider sort of a neutral light shade. And then you have a couple browns. So it's definitely a workable palette, I would say. Something that you could play with and don't necessarily need another palette. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is a tiny beauty blender. I didn't know it was gonna be so small. Okay. I'm not digging the color, but my last one from Fab Fit Fun actually with pink, so I like that. This stuff, I've never actually smelled the body wash before. I'm guessing it smells like the Bum Bum cream. So it's sealed, of course. But I love the way that smells. I also like the one in the bluish container that a lot of people are not fond of. I'd say yes. It doesn't have as strong a smell as Bum Bum, but it's very complimentary. I think it's definitely supposed to have the same scent. I mean, that makes sense. I just don't feel like it smells as strongly. And of course, my Bum Bum. Gotta have the Bum Bum. All right, now the box itself. Let's open her up. By the way, this is the box. It's pretty, right? I'm digging it. Okay. All right, of course, we always have our magazine to sort of walk you through everything. The $80 HelloFresh gift card. I've yet to use one of those. All right, so my silicone wine glasses. Normally, if I'm just having a glass with dinner or something, you know, one person is having a glass, in a very informal situation, I don't love having to wash stemware. Maybe I'm lazy, but I thought that these would be kind of a nice option. You don't have to worry about them getting, I think even some stemware that you can put through the dishwasher, you kind of worry about it rattling around. So I would just always hand wash. But these you can definitely just toss in the dishwasher, no problem. I think I got makeup on it. Yeah, got makeup on it. So I thought those were cool. And you can even travel with them. So I think that's a cute little, maybe bring them camping. I don't know, camp. Let's see. This is, I don't know if I remember seeing this in the preview things. Cleansing oil. Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Now, I like cooking with truffle oil. I've never thought about cleansing myself with it or putting it on myself. It doesn't have a scent, which, given its purpose, and it has truffle oil in it, might be a good thing. Whoa, it doesn't want to go back on there. Very slick. I do like using oils for removing makeup and whatnot. So definitely going to use that. Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Like I said, not a huge mask person, but let's see if we can get some of this makeup off before I get it all over everything. Wait. Okay. One of the options was the big sort of flower beach towel. I picked that right here. It looked like just a nice towel, and I heard that they feel very similar to the towels that were in the box previously or available. I wound up with two of them, so I don't know if I got one in my box. They must have been add-ons. Anyway, really like those, and it does feel very similar. I don't really have room at the moment to just open it up, but the Kula Makeup Setting Spray. It has SPF, which is nice, and you don't see that in a lot of setting sprays. I have the Kate Somerville one that does have an SPF in it. I do use that when I'm going outside a lot, but it does definitely have a bit of a greasy feel to it. This, I would say, is, the smell is not bad. You kind of get the sunblock impression from it. I think it's definitely less greasy feeling than the Kate Somerville one, but it does have a bit of that feel to it. This exfoliating foot mask from Wish, Intense Hydration. I could always use a foot mask softening for summer. Why not? These I've never tried. I'll have to update on these because they kind of look like they get tangled in my hair and pull, to be honest, and I'm not really a fan of that. Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So I guess that's just a mist, facial mist thing. I don't know that I want to open that because I already have a couple sort of facial mists, and that might be better gifted to someone. And then I chose the felt message board. I think some people were not impressed with this option, but I thought it was cute. Leave little messages for people, or you know, I don't know. I thought it was cute. So this is the basic size, and then you have your letters and emojis and things in here. So I think that will be fun to use. It comes with a little baggie to put your letters and emojis in. And I think that is everything. I didn't want this to go too long because I had to record it on my phone due to some camera battery charging issues. But that is what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you back here later. Thanks.